Tonix Pharmaceuticals has secured a path to the first new fibromyalgia drug in 15 years. And with me is the CEO, Seth Lederman, to talk about this. So, of course, fibromyalgia, a chronic disorder, affects mostly women. You have been really a pioneer in treatments of this. So how have you approached the problem, and what's the latest with that?
Thank you, Jane, for having me on. Yes, we're a pioneer, but I've been working on fibromyalgia for almost 30 years. So it's a long time coming. It's a very challenging problem for drug makers to address fibromyalgia. And that's why there hasn't been a new drug in 15 years. So we have a new medicine called TNX 102SL in development, and we're very excited that we're getting close to an FDA decision.
Okay, and the FDA awarded you PDUFA, a date for this, right? So tell me what that means exactly.
The FDA operates on user fees. So we have now a PDUFA date, or Prescription Drug User Fee Act date, of August 15th. And that's when we can expect a decision from FDA on marketing authorization for our drug in the United States.
So what does this mean for people who suffer from fibromyalgia?
It means we're very close. It's a long road to develop a drug, and we've been working on this for 10 years. And we believe that if the drug is approved on August 15th, we think that we should be able to be in a position to launch about 2 months later.
Okay. Is it a pill, or describe it to me?
Yes.
Okay.
TNX 102SL is a pill. It's taken every night at bedtime, and it's a sublingual tablet. So 2 tablets are put under the tongue every night right before bedtime. And we believe that our medicine targets the sleep problem of fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia sufferers have what's called non-restorative sleep, or unrefreshing sleep. And we believe that by targeting that unrefreshing sleep with our medicine, that many of the other symptoms of fibromyalgia get better. Importantly, pain.
Interesting.
Fibromyalgia is a chronic pain disorder. So our drug is a non-opioid analgesic for chronic pain.
Okay, very exciting, especially for the sufferers. So
yes.
Now let's talk a little business. You had $100 million in cash at the end of 2024. How does the balance sheet look? How far does that take you?
Thank you. We're very happy. We have no debt. As you said, we had about $100 million at the end of Q4, and we've raised about $45 million in Q1. So we guide that we have cash to get into first quarter of 2026. Now, the reason that we only have are guiding till first quarter 2026 is we are preparing for a very significant launch, commercial launch of TNX 102SL. And we're excited about it. It's a big challenge for a company to launch a new prescription drug, especially for a common problem like fibromyalgia. More than 10 million adults suffer from fibromyalgia in the United States. But we do already market 2 products, 2 prescription drug products for migraine. So we think that we really have the commercial organization getting ready, and we will be prepared to launch.
Okay, kind of follow that same model that you've done in the past with the launch.
Yes, yeah. Although this is a much bigger problem. This is the lead program of our company. Yeah. It's the program our company was founded on, and we're very happy to be at this stage. Not many biotechs live to see the day when their drug is looking at marketing approval. So we're cautiously optimistic. And if it is approved, we look forward to launching it.
Yeah, you're right. It's such a challenge to get these drugs. So exciting that you've come this far. And we mentioned there hasn't been a drug in 15 years. What's currently on the market? How does this improve what's currently there?
Yeah, so there are 3 medicines that are FDA approved for fibromyalgia. Pfizer had Lyrica, which is a class of drugs that slows nerve conduction. And then Lilly launched Cymbalta, which is an SNRI class drug. And then AbbVie has Savella. Lyrica and Cymbalta are now generic. But they represent two classes of medicines, and our drug is will be the first member of a new class of medicines called tertiary amine tricyclic. And this class of medicines is unique because we're targeting the unrefreshing sleep. And we think that we had two statistically significant studies on reducing pain, but we also think that the tolerability profile of our product seems to be very appealing in the studies.
Okay, very interesting. Please come back in August and bring us up to date on where you are with this.
I look forward to that.
Thanks.
Thank you very
Thanks,
much
Seth.
for having me on.